connect to the field, and he does. And now we are
Can
off.
you commentate it like it's
2,
Chessy Champs?
1, go! Balls are flying everywhere. Okay, as this match begins, balls about ready to fly everywhere. As Evan has 4 hoppers on the lines, balls are flying everywhere. Soon
WCOM.
Balls are currently flying everywhere.
Currently it looks like Red Lions trying to avenge themselves after the loss in Finals 1 of IO.
Oh my god.
Red Lions picking up 230 feet to Blue Lions is 179. Balls trying to do some damage control against BB, but banging a full undefended hopper. Blue does bring it back within 30 points, but...
Oh my god!
Oz sounds like he's in some big trouble right now.
Yes!
As he gets defended around. Todd going to score. Evan going to score as well. Red actually coming up with a sizable lead as they will, and as they end this, they almost have a 100-point lead. Blue, sorry. Blue having a pretty sizable lead this match. But now Red is active. Sleepy still trying to score up against the hub, even though they do have farther shots available. Beamy going to score. Not being able to get that much in due to the heavy defense of Oz and Evan. Tor joined the fray as well, trying to keep. Oh, Tor can hit up actually, but at the end of the shift, it's now only a 30-point gap. Blue Alliance looking to increase their lead as we have Evan and Oz scoring. And Tor trying to score as well, but he gets tipped up on the trench. It looks like he had this climb or engage. Interesting strategy decision in this match. It's currently 445, 460, 407. The balls are just flying everywhere. It's like you just can't even keep track. It's currently 505 to 347. For Blue Alliance once again dominating. Evan getting tipped up. Only 2 players on the ground thanks to Sleepy's. Maybe
wait, isn't that illegal? He's like not letting him move.
It's potentially illegal.
Oh, hi, Ben.
And Evan finally able to move.
Hi.
As Ben and Beamy are trying to make this match.
Yo, how are they up by 120 points?
Oh my god, Sleepy, move!
Sleepy trying to stop Always Down from coming back.
Oh.
And Beamy doing everything they can.
Oh, and I disconnected.
We can do this.
Torch shooting up in the air. Oz has lost comms. His battery is bound out. He has lost comms.
I disconnected.
He's out for a match.
Oh, not Oris.
Oz is out for a match now. But he comes back to life magically as he loses comms again. The match is actually closing up. It's only a 40-point deficit. Red Alliance could win this match. 3, 2, 1. And from the Blue Alliance manages to become. It was a teach ball.